Have you ever pondered the intricacies of creating a book list object with a constructor function? Well, the process is surprisingly straightforward once you break it down. First, we start by defining a constructor function. This function sets the groundwork for the book list object. Think of it as the blueprint for your book list. In JavaScript, we would initiate this by naming our function. Let's call it book list. Inside this function, we would specify the properties of our book list. These might include books read, books not read, and next book, to name a few. Each of these properties is initialized with a value, which can be updated later as we interact with our book list. Now, we move on to the next step, creating instances of our book list. These instances are individual objects that are created using our constructor function. We use the new keyword followed by our constructor function name to create these instances. Each instance will have the properties defined in the constructor function. Then, we can add methods to our constructor function. Methods are functions that can be used to manipulate our book list. For example, we could have a method called addBook that adds a new book to our list, or a method called markusRead that updates the books read property. Finally, we can interact with our book list objects. We can call the methods we've defined, update the properties, and use our book list in any way we see fit. For instance, we might use the addBook method to add a new book to our list, or call the markusRead method to update our books read property. To sum it all up, creating a book list object with a constructor function involves defining a constructor function, creating instances of our book list, adding methods to our constructor function, and interacting with our book list objects. It's a powerful tool in JavaScript that allows for organized, reusable code. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting out, mastering this technique can open the door to a world of possibilities. So, why not give it a try? Set up your blueprint, create your instances, add your methods, and start interacting with your book list today.